Summer road trip through all of New Jersey's counties kicked off today. Among his first stops, Warren Community College's drone lab in Phillipsburg. 69 News reporter Priscilla Ligori was there.
It's instant. As you're flying a power line, it's labeling and sending back through the cloud to the office exactly.
I mean, that could transform our energy grid.
Correct.
Students and staff involved in Warren Community College's drone program toured U.S. Senator Cory Booker through their new facility.
We're using this guy right here, Mountain Lake.
They're traveling the country, winning national awards, working in just about every industry, with other schools, various agencies, and law enforcement, and even manufacturing a drone themselves.
Initially, I got into school. I didn't really like school, the idea of college and everything, and then I got into this program.
Now, this recent graduate works here.
I love that it's all hands-on. I love that you could just see things come to life from scratch.
From our transportation issues to our agricultural issues to our first responders, there's so many implications for what we can do in helping with the challenges of climate change and helping to expand yields in terms of crops.
This is a crop spraying drone designed to be precise, helpful for smaller farms in New Jersey. It can spray 30 to 40 acres an hour, saving farmers a ton of time and money.
We can tell this farmer exactly how much money he lost with drones.
This event celebrated nearly $700,000 in the Senate Appropriations Bill, which, if passed by the House, would go to the college for its Precision Agriculture Technology Project. That uses innovative tools to create sustainable and profitable farming techniques.
And that's something that I'm going to fight for. We won in the Senate. We got to win in the House now.
Priscilla Ligori, 69 News.